Okay, alright. It's about them time. About Jesus. Okay, I can't see my contour. But when I turn, you're gonna get blind. It's giving fashion week. Take me to your mama's. This feels so wrong. Oh my god, what is this? So hi darlings, what you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing for the very first time, my name is Goodness Egwom. In today's video, just like you've seen from the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be trying the Mary Phillips makeup technique that's trending. I want to check out if those trends, those techniques are applicable to people of color. If that's something you're interested in, then definitely want to keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by playing one of the videos that I already got that was trending with the whole technique thingy. I'm just going to watch it and see what's all about.
Let's try the viral Mary Phillips makeup technique. If you didn't know, Mary Phillips is a celebrity makeup artist who does this like signature soft makeup look. The skin always looks naturally sculpted and soft. So the first step is to start with a bare face and apply your cream contour. In her video, she actually used a brush, but she went on the nose bridge like this, around the forehead, the hairline, and also the jawline. And she says she likes to contour first to bring out the bone structure. And I'm not gonna lie, like, it's given. Two is adding the concealer. She put some here. I think she did a little bit down the nose. I'm still gonna put some here because that's what I like to do. I honestly wish I saw her do makeup on darker complexion. That's okay.
Thank you. That's what I'm all about, okay? All the makeup artists that are popular in quotes should adopt doing all these trends on people of color because it makes more sense that it applies to any kind of skin type. Do you get me? I feel you.
Would work no matter what. I think I went a little OD with the concealer. Let me come back. Okay, in her video, she added a little bit of blush and this looks stunning. Okay, and the last step is adding foundation on top of all of this with a powder brush. Wait, girl, I'm running out of time. Go to part 2 for the final look.
Okay guys, so the beginning part of the video, I'm kind of used to it because I already did a video on it. I'm going to put up here for you to watch where I put like concealer and contour before foundation, and I showed you guys how bomb was looking like aside the normal way of putting foundation then contour then concealer. But part that took me off guard was where she said she used a powder brush, like literally a powder brush to apply foundation. So let's get right into it. So this one I'm going to be using, I'm making use of the Zickel Pro Coverage High Definition in the shade 30. I'm making use of my Newborn Beauty in My Skin Concealer in the shade 43. Going in my foundation, Newborn Beauty in My Skin Foundation in the shade F Alakija L4. So this is my nameless, brandless foundation brush that I'm going to be using. It's normally my powder brush, but we're going to turn to foundation brush today. Since I don't have that stick contour, I'm going to just dab this guy behind my hand here. So I'm going in with this quantity because this guy is very, very dark. She took it from outside to inside, and that's like reverse of what I normally hear online. Doing the same thing on this side. So we're gonna take a bit of more contour because mine got exhausted again. And we're gonna use our contour brush to contour our nose. She went on a nose bridge like this. Okay, I can't see my contour. Okay, I got some more. Just apply it here. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, I'm just trying to blend this guy out. Okay, coming together. Then instead the rest of it, she just tapped it like this and went across her forehead. And also the jawline. Okay, so we're blending our contour first to bring out the bone structure. Normally I'll blend my contour up, but she's bringing hers down, so I'm like a bit confused here. So that you're doing this, bringing it down. I don't know why. Okay, then this guy. I feel like this guy is too fluffy to actually blend, but we're gonna make it work. She took some here. Okay, so time for the concealer. She goes ahead to put some here, like a large quantity here. What's quantity? Quantity. Goodness. then here as well, then a little bit on her nose, yeah, then here to cover up the mustaches. But wait, it's concealer, it's gonna highlight it, but whatever. Then I'm gonna put like this sign. Okay, so in the video she goes right ahead to start blending the concealer, but what I don't know is if she waited for like some minutes before she blended it, because normally you know that okay, you want to wait for it to settle so that it can have more coverage on your face, but I don't know. So if it does not give what it's meant to give, just know that okay, you're gonna wait for like a while before you blend it out. So starting with the outer corners, it's nice to be a fine girl. You gotta walk the walk. Why is my arm just aching? Maybe just use this left hand, because I don't understand. Finally, for the blush here, I want like mix two colors of blush to know how it looks. So I'm gonna be using this Glass Stain Lip Gloss from Adventure Makeup, yeah, in this shade, and Stain Lip Gloss also from the same Adventure Makeup in this shade as well. So I'm going to be using these two guys, putting a tad of this here, then the same thing for this guy right across it. So this is what I did. Then I'm going to use my hand to like mix it up together. Like it just gave me the perfect shade of pink and red. Like, is that mauve? I don't know. This is it here. This is what we're having right now. So I'm just gonna use that and use my blush brush. I'm so disorganized, Jesus. Normal place, so nothing different, okay? Just tapping into this guy. I'm playing with it here. Let me just go ahead and do my brows, then I'll come back and make sure. Okay guys, so I'm back. So putting my foundation here, like just a drop of it. Okay, I just did it, guys. This feels so wrong. About Jesus. Please have mercy. Okay. I think it's coming together. Okay, so I'm focusing most of the foundation on this side of my face because that's where I want most of it to be, not at the center of my face. There's one about left on the brush to just bring it to the center. Okay, so for sure I know that this works here. It just helps to keep everything very subtle, so you don't have the fear of, oh, I applied too much contour, I applied too much blush, because the foundation is going to help you bring everything back to normal. Then down my nose as well. Okay, is there much difference? I don't know. I feel like I used more foundation than I would on a normal day, but I can still see the blush peeking through. This is where she stopped the video, but I'm guessing she went ahead to use powder product to set the main part of her face. I don't know if it's necessary, but I'm just doing this because I feel like I'm going to go back on my brush for my foundation and just blend everything in. Wow, so I'm gonna have to get another powder brush then, because this guy really saves me a lot of time, like honestly. On my eyelid. Oh, I've not put concealer there, I forgot. Now that I put that there, I'm going to go ahead and get my setting powder, because I have not set under my eye, remember. So you still gotta set that part because I don't think that part's excluded from any makeup technique. So just trying to take out the harsh lines. And this guy here. And apply this guy onto it. For my eyeshadow, I'm mixing these two colors here. This one and this one together. I'm just gonna like ensure that I don't have too much, then bring the guy outside, like make it a bit softer. I'm just using whatever I left on the brush to just blend it out, so it just looks like a transition of color, but it's just basically my setting powder and eyeshadow. I'm loving this look. I'm not even gonna lie, I like it. Okay, I've forgotten how colors look like on my eye. I'm used to doing nude, wineish, you know, everyday makeup on my eye, but this is giving I came out to play, and I'm not joking. So for this outer part here, you want to go light with your brush, not so thick. You want to use the same color. I don't know, I'm digging that thing of late that I use same color for underneath my eye. I don't know what's talking that thing. I'm loving this. I can't even lie. I think I'll start doing eye makeup now, like proper eye makeup, because this beauty is giving. It's giving fashion week. Take me to your mama's. Is it I always look for something when I'm doing makeup? I don't understand. Like, I'm pretty sure it's looking at me like, hey, look at me, I'm seeing you. I'm really looking for, told you, just here. So just blending this guy out. So things like this have to be so perfect, you know. If you're looking for perfection, please go and watch Spencer. Let me just go pop my lashes on, and I'll be right back with you guys. So while my lashes are drying up, I'm gonna go in with my powder. This is the Nuba Mineral Finishing Powder in the shade 04. I'm just gonna apply my powder in the normal regular schmegular way. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray setting powder. I'm gonna use this on my eye. Whilst this is still drying on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I wanna do my lips because I want to show you that you can just do without the lashes and just go on like this. It's still gonna look very, very beautiful. So that's normal everyday nude lip because we already have like a dramatic eye. Okay, alright. It's about them time. Then going to my gloss from Newborn Beauty. It looks like schmegler. No, I like it like that. Like this is so me. This is like in my goodness lip gloss day. So this is how you can literally pull up this without your lashes. So you can either have this or this. I feel like I didn't really position this guy properly, but we are looking good. We are looking snatched. Okay, so now that I'm done with that face, I'm going to actually learned this today to apply your highlight after you've applied your setting spray. So I'm going to try this right now. Okay, so I'm making use of this guy right here. Okay, the LA Girl blush collection, just at this corner. You can't see it from here, but when I turn, you're gonna get blind. Then go in with my beauty sponge and just put everything in together. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and use my Nuban Beauty Lid Fixing Spray. It's kind of like little already. It's about to finish. So I'm just going to use it to just fix everything together. I can't go and buy that one. Like, it is actually literally finished. So I'm just going to use this guy to just spread it out together. If you want to know the difference between fixing spray and setting spray, let me know below in the comment section. Yeah, so guys, this is it. This is the look we're able to pull off using the Mary Phillips makeup technique. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So I really enjoyed this video. I'm going to start doing more makeup hacks. So if you have any TikTok trend that you see online, or anyone you're seeing on Instagram that want me to try, or any look whatsoever, I'm your girl. I'm your woman of color, literally. So anything you've seen online that has not been done on a black person or on a woman of color, let me say black because you're very sensitive out there, so on a woman of color, so let me know. You can send me the picture or the video, whichever one. I'm gonna put my Instagram on the screen right now, so feel free to follow me. And that's it. We've come to the end of this video, guys. Do have an amazing day ahead of you. Bye.